The pandemic is absolutely not over. That from the U.S. Surgeon General after new numbers show the concerning Delta variant is continuing to spread across the U.S. Now detected in almost every U.S. state. Mandy Gaither has more.
It now accounts for 1 in 4 coronavirus cases in the U.S., and the Delta variant shows no sign of slowing down.
This variant of COVID is highly transmissible, the most transmissible that we've seen to date.
Top U.S. health officials say those who are fully vaccinated have a high degree of protection from the Delta variant, but
if you are not vaccinated, then you are in trouble.
Some of those unvaccinated are the youngest Americans. Right now, the FDA has only authorized the Pfizer vaccine for those as young as 12.
I would say right now, if your kids are old enough to wear masks, then they should when they're indoors, at least until we can get our arms around this Delta variant.
That variant is spreading in some areas more than others. Health experts say that means Americans need to fully understand the risk in their area.
If you're in the Northeast where transmission is really low, then your kids are a lot safer than in parts of the South Central U.S. right now where the epidemic is really taking off. And that 1-2 punch of the Delta variant and low vaccination rates.
A new Kaiser Family Foundation poll suggests most U.S. adults who plan to get vaccinated against COVID-19 have already done so. 65% of adults surveyed said they've gotten at least one dose. That figure hasn't gone up much from 62% in May. About 14% said they will definitely not get vaccinated.
The more people we get vaccinated in our country, the fewer people will get infected.
And meantime, Johnson & Johnson says 2 studies show its coronavirus vaccine is effective against the Delta variant and offers protection for months. The company says it analyzed blood samples from 8 people who received the single-dose vaccine in the phase 3 study. Now, according to the company, the vaccine elicted neutralizing antibodies against the Delta variant. Researchers also tested blood taken from 20 people who participated in an early trial. They found that the immune response generated by the vaccine lasted at least 8 months and actually improved over time. Now, it's important to note that neither study has yet been peer-reviewed. And Honduras received 1.5 million doses of the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine from the U.S. over the weekend as part of an initial delivery of doses through the COVAX International Vaccine Sharing Program. The shipment is part of 80 million U.S. doses that President Biden has pledged to share with other countries around the world, either directly or through the COVAX program. Last week, the White House laid out its plan to share 55 million of the pledged 80 million U.S. vaccine doses globally, with roughly 75% of the allocated doses going to Latin America, and the Caribbean, Asia, and Africa, again, all through that COVAX program.